back to the Diabetic Diet Show.
Here's a quick tip. When you're making pasta and you want to boil some water, go ahead and put a little bit of water in your pan and then go ahead and put it on your burner. Next, have your tea kettle filled up with water and put that on a burner and get that going first. You'll be surprised at how much faster the water will boil in there, and then just dump it in here and you'll be ready to go in no time. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.